According to Tesla's statement, Tesla Giga Shanghai is fine-tuning manufacturing to meet demand growth. I'm going to explain you what this means. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and join our community, as well as please give us thumbs up if this video is informative and helpful. So, Eva Fox is reporting from Tesmanian.com that Tesla Giga Shanghai is fine-tuning manufacturing to meet demand growth, according to company's statement. And you are watching video footage from our friend Vuva, who has been providing footage from updates from Tesla Giga Shanghai factory almost several times a week. So Eva Fox from the Tesmanian reports that Tesla plans to make changes to manufacturing processes at its Chinese plant to further expand production capacity at Giga Shanghai in an attempt to meet ever-growing demand. The changes relate to improvements in the production of various vehicle components. She says Tesla cars are highly popular in the auto market. In addition to meeting local demand, Giga Shanghai manufactures electric vehicles for export all over the world, including both nearby countries and distant ones, such as in Europe. You remember I've reported that Tesla has been shipping Giga Shanghai made Model 3s to European continent, but I don't know personally how long that will last, because soon Giga Berlin will come into operation in July, August of this year, 2021, and there will be no need to ship cars from distant China all the way to Europe. Now, while the demand for Tesla cars continues to grow around the world, the factory at Giga Shanghai must change, or namely optimize production in order to produce them as quickly and efficiently as possible. So, according to Tesla's statement on the Shanghai government website, the changes to the Chinese factory will relate to the production of spare parts, including plans to improve the power system, chassis, and electric motor. The company also confirms that these changes are taking place in response to growing demand. Here is what the quote says. The project aims to meet demand growth after the production capacity expansion in the factory, and it starts with improvements in the manufacturing process. Eva Fox writes that last year Tesla was able to register in China nearly 140,000 Model 3s that were made at Giga Shanghai. Also in October, the first shipments of China-made Model 3s were Model 3s for export began, which continued and gained strength in early 2021, according to Tesla's plan in 2021. Giga Shanghai should reach a production capacity of 450,000 Model 3s and Model Y per year, which requires the company to finally optimize production processes. If this goes all correctly, Tesla should be able to make 1 million vehicles this year in 2021, making this another record year. The source of this report was BNN Bloomberg, as well as the Tesmanian Eva Fox, and you're watching also the video footage from our friend Vuva, who shows construction progress at stamping workshop phase T project. Vuva says the construction of the third phase of the stamping workshop is progressing rapidly. The big pit looks to be changing, and there are more steel frame buildings on the west side. With such a big and deep pit, a large stamping machine will be built in the future, perhaps a die casting and molding integrated base plate equipment. And he says that on March 3, from the Shanghai Construction Project Environment Assessment Information Platform, was informed that Tesla Giga Shanghai has made content changes in the original parts of production process upgrade project, and plans to upgrade the production capacity of the power system, die casting, molding integrated base plate, motor, and other parts. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are. Let's continue watching Vuva's full presentation, and you will see the description, the references of these informations in the description. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if this was informative, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Thank you, Vuva, and everyone for these informations, for the sources of this information, and let's keep watching, friends. See you soon. God bless you, everyone.